Hello, everybody. My name is Parvej, and basically, you all are aware of me. In this chapter, we are going to talk about why to stay happy and vibrate at high level of vibration. Listen, if you have never been on stage, never spoken in front of an audience, or never truly put yourself out there, then your first job is not perfection. It is the attention. Your first task is to grab a little bit of attention and become comfortable with it. I will tell you one thing that this is very important because I will tell you the major reason why people can't speak in front of others is because they fear being watched or judged. I will tell you in depth about this. Like, if you are, I will tell you one real thing is that if you are speaking in front of, you are, even if you are speaking in front of, even if you are doing a public speaking or even if you are doing any presentation, both are live things. You speak in front of people as on live, matlab, it is not recorded when you do public speaking or do presentation. And even if you are addressing hundreds of people or even thousands of people in that communication, people are looking at you. So recorded है, हाँ. सो मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ कि पीपल हमें देख रहे होते हैं अगर हम प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं या पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं. पीपल आर कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट यू. चाहे कितने भी बंच ऑफ लोगों के सामने तुम बोल रहे हो, लोग तुम्हारी तरफ देख के हैं. एंड दैट इज वेयर मोस्ट पीपल स्ट्रगल. I will tell you the most, the major reason why people can't speak of other is not a lack of knowledge, because this is 21st century honestly, and everyone can gain knowledge about any particular or specific thing in this world. We are living in a smartphone era. We can get information on any topic, on any subject, or in any specific field. We can get knowledge about anything. So knowledge is not the barrier in order to speak in front of the people. The barrier is, and that is, I will tell you, that is the major reason. The barrier why people can't speak in front of others is they are feared of attention. It is not knowledge. You need to understand it is not knowledge that scares people. It is the attention. It is the fear of being constantly observed or judged. You became nervous. I will tell you one more thing, that there is a uh, part in your brain, amygdala, that is a almond shaped structure in your brain. What its job is to keep your body in a comfortable environment. So whenever it sense any danger in your environment, it is basically a alarm system. Whenever it sense any danger in your environment, it will basically turn on, and it will further send signal to autonomic nervous system, which further send signal to sympathetic nervous system. तो जब हमारा sympathetic nervous system activate हो जाता है, which means we are in a flight or fight mode, means we think there is a real danger. We think that we are in a hurry situation, we are in a serious danger situation. That's what our mind thinks, and you know that our subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is imagination and what is reality. So does our amygdala, part of our brain. In ancient times, this part of our brain has helped our ancestor to survive in the jungle or whenever they survive from predators. But in today's world, if we talk about today, there is no such real danger situation in our daily lives. If you look around yourself, there is no such horrible, or you can say terrible thing in your environment that you are scared of. We are living in a very comfortable environment. So our amygdala part turn on unnecessarily just because we think that, just because our subconscious think that there is a real danger, or when a lot of people constantly looking at you, you think that there is really a something danger or scary thing in your environment. Even according to surveys, more than 60% of Americans suggest death rather than speaking in front of people. I know it sounds horrible, but that is the thing that you have to understand. In order to become a great and effective public speaker, the first thing that you have to overcome is getting familiar with attention. You have to become familiar with attention. You have to become familiar with lots of people looking at you and you are speaking in front of them. You have to, there are multiple reasons to do that, but the all the data, all the things that I have told you just now are important to tell you that why it is so hard to become a great public speaker. I think that solves 80% of the problem if you can get comfortable with attention, because people are people do care about, people too much care about themselves, and very less about the others. सो जब कितने सारे लोग उन्हें देखने लग जाते हैं तो वो एक है ना इनसिक्योर हो जाते हैं कि मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, या आई एम राइट और नॉट, सो दे हैव दोज थिंग्स. सो दैट इज द रीज़न ज़्यादा तो लोग बोल नहीं पाते. अभी मैं तुम्हें कुछ रीज़न भी बता, आई विल टेल यू सम मेथड्स दैट हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट थिंग, because it is not about the problem, it is about the solution. That's why he came here. First, you have understood the problem. Now I will tell you the solution. Your job first is that you have to keep this thing in your mind 24 into 7 wherever you go intentionally, that your job is to get comfortable with attention. First thing that you can do is that I will also personally suggest you to mentally rehearse yourself. Visualize yourself mentally speaking in front of others. विजुअलाइज योरसेल्फ कि तू बहुत सारे लोगों के सामने बोल रहा है, कंफर्टेबली होके बोल रहा है, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू रिसर्चर्स दैट हैज़ बीन प्रूव्ड, एंड आई डोंट हैव टू शो यू एविडेंस अबाउट दैट, कि अगर हम बैठ के मेंटली रिहर्स करते हैं तो जो हमारे ब्रेन में न्यूरल कनेक्शंस है वो फॉर्म होते हैं. Because our subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is imagination and what is reality. And our prefrontal cortex, the part right behind your forehead, has the ability to make thought more real than anything else. So if you are just sitting in a room or anywhere and just visualizing yourself that you are speaking in front of people, you are comfortable with the environment, you are comfortable with people. So what it does that it, your subconscious mind think that this is actually happening, and तुम्हारे ब्रेन में न्यूरल कनेक्शंस फॉर्म होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू नो दैट कि जो तुम्हारे ब्रेन में न्यूरल कनेक्शंस नए फॉर्म होते हैं वो वही सिग्नल तुम्हारी बॉडी को सेंड करते हैं. सो एंड ऑल्सो अकॉर्डिंग टू रिसर्चर्स that have been performed on mental rehearsal visualization, that it helps equally. I will tell you that is one of the most important thing. And second thing is that wherever you go, whether you are in your school, college, job, office, wherever you are, does not matter where you are, intentionally find movements, find events where you can speak in front of others. You have to intentionally look for events, for moments where you can stand up and speak up. Whether you are in class, try to stand up and ask teacher some question. It could be related to the topic that teacher is teaching to you. But the more important thing is that you have to stand up. You have to speak up. You have to get comfortable with attention. So अगर तुम intentionally ये चीज़ें करोगे, that will be more beneficial to do. And third thing is that whenever you are public speaking or doing any presentation or PPT, that is one of the thing that I am following right now, is that stay happy and vibrate at higher level of frequency. I will tell you deep about this topic. By staying happy and vibrating at higher level of frequencies means that you are happy. Basically means you are happy, you have feelings of gratitude, you are feeling love. So that's the feeling of vibrating at higher level of frequency. अब मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताऊं कि ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर है कि जब हम खुश होते हैं तो वी टेंड टू ओवरकम वट एवर ऑडियंस थ्रो एट अस. मैं तुम्हें सही बताऊं, अगर तुम पॉजिटिव वाइब, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, एक हैप्पीनेस वाला, एक एंटरटेनमेंट वाला एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करके अपने माइंड में वो लेके चलते हो, एंड इफ वी यू मिस प्रोनाउंस in during PPT or during any public speaking, so if you have a positive attitude you will gonna overcome that easy. That is the most important thing. So I will tell you that have a positive attitude, positive mental attitude. And there is also a psychological behavior I learned from one of the greatest person alive, Shah Rukh Khan, that before starting of any conversation, any public speaking or any speech or any PPTs, try to make the environment comfortable or entertaining. किसी भी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जब भी तुम स्टेज पे जा रहे हो तो जो इन्वायरमेंट है ना उसको थोड़ा एंटरटेन कर दो. मतलब है ना, मतलब वो सीरियसनेस मत रहने दो इन्वायरमेंट में. And you can only do that if you are vibrating at similar frequency. And that's what I'm telling you, that always stay happy, always vibrate at high frequency, had intentional thoughts about that what you are, why you are here, and look for events, look for moments that where you can speak up and where you can give yourself evidence. Most important thing is that you have to give your subconscious mind evidences that you are capable of doing anything in this world. You are capable of speaking in front of any person in this world. You can speak in front of hundreds of thousands of people. You do not hesitate about that. So that is the most important thing. You have to give your subconscious mind evidences. बिकॉज जब हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को एविडेंस मिलेंगे तभी वो नर्वस नहीं होगा. 2 मिनट. सो इट विल नॉट नर्वस. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. And they will be the whole script of my video, and I will not feel any hesitation about posting this one also because I have covered all the things and intentionally seek moments, spotlight moments, and practice controlled exposure. There is also one thing, practice controlled exposure, which means कि तुम है ना धीरे धीरे 2 लोगों के सामने बोलो, फिर 4 के सामने बोलो, फिर 6 के सामने बोलो, फिर 10 के सामने बोलो, एंड स्लो बाय स्लो एक टाइम पे एक स्टेप लो. पहले तुम सिर्फ 2 इंसान के सामने बोल के देखो, फिर 4. धीरे धीरे अपनी ना जो ऑडियंस की स्ट्रेंथ है ना धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज करो. दैट इज प्रैक्टिस्ड कंट्रोल एक्सपोजर. थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब अपने आप को एक्सपोज करो बट लिटिल बाय लिटिल. पहले 2 लोगों के सामने, फिर 4 लोगों के सामने. जब तुम ऐसे एक्सपोज करोगे वेन्यू तो इट विल गोना बी वेरी इजी. कीप इन माइंड दैट the videos that I'm recording now are not to, मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताऊं, मैं जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ मैं इसलिए नहीं बना रहा सो दैट आई कैन प्रिपेयर यू दैट हाउ टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ ए क्लास, हाउ टू गिव अ पीपीटी or in a class, or how to speak in front of hundreds people. I am giving you this knowledge that how you can dominate, how you can become great public speaker and effective communicator. This is not just about speaking in front of a bunch of people. This is not about just about a class presentation. I've been doing this. I've been practicing public speaking, practicing on this skill for the last 2 years, and I know that I have not made a huge achievement since now, but I know how the graph of success looks like, and I know what I'm doing. I'm very clear about what I want to achieve. I'm not here to just speak in front of a bunch of people, but that is important thing. Just take one step at a time and just keep improving yourself, keep growing. Practice controlled exposure. That's it for chapter 1. I will tell you I will tell you the further more important things in the upcoming chapter. So that's it for today.